Hello everybody, this is Mustafa. I have here '01 Acura RL 3.5 engine. This car has an EGR. If you look right here, you will find the letters EGR, which stands for exhaust gas recirculation. And if I look at the engine, I have to go all the way to the back right here, and here is the EGR right there. So this is the EGR, and that is the EGR position sensor. So normally this sensor is 3 wires, and the EGR is down here all the way. Also, this car has a PCV, so I want to show you the location of the PCV. And here is the PCV right there. This is the PCV, and as you can see, it's sitting on the valve cover. We have 2 valve covers. We have one right here, and you have another one right here. So we have 2 valve cover. The ones coming out from this valve cover is called that's the vent for the engine. So this is V6 engine 3.5. You have one bank here, you have the other bank right there, and you have a cup system. So you have a coil overplug. You have 3 coils here, and you have 3 coils here. This one has 2 TBS, so you have a butterfly here, here's TBS for it, and you have another TBS for this. We have another butterfly right here. This engine is driven by cable, so you can see the cables right here. One for the coming from the gas pedal, and the other one is coming from the cruise control. So here is the cruise control unit. If you look at the fuel system, so here is the fuel rail. We have 2 of them. You have one right here, and you have the other one right here, and you can see the connection between the 2 fuel rails. You have the injectors. So the injectors right here. We have 1 here, 2, 3, and if we go to the other side, you'll find the other 3, 1, 2, and the third all the way. So that is a PFI system, which stands for port fuel injection. This one has a fuel filter, and here is the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter. If you want to check the pressure, the fuel pressure, so here is a plug where you can remove to check for the fuel pressure in the system. The yellow one here, that's the dipstick for transmission. If we go to the side here, we're gonna find the brake master cylinder, and we have here the pump for the ABS system. Speaking of the pump, if you go right here, here is the ABS unit. So here is ABS unit, and you have the module next to the hydraulic unit. So here another pump right here. So this pump right here, this pump is taking the fluid from the reservoir to be sure the cylinder is pressurized, and the other pump is for the ABS unit itself. So here is the pump for the ABS unit. Here you have the air filter and power steering fluid reservoir. You have the this car has a timing belt. You have 2 cams, 1 cam here, 1 cam there, and you can see the engine dipstick, and you can see the alternator all the way down. You have also the fuse fuse relays in this area. This one they call it vacuum tank, because you have inlet and outlet for vacuum. And as you can see here is the intake manifold. So as you can see, the runners, you have 6 runners because this is 6 cylinders. Thank you everybody, and we'll talk about this engine in the class. Thank you.